Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best miter saws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Miter Saws. Building your gardening benches and shelves can be a time-consuming process if you don't have the correct tools on hand to help you. The best miter saw can help you make sharp cuts, and you can end up with professional-grade products that look like you purchased them in the store. You can get a shot of pride each time you see them, and you can get a high-quality saw. Number 5. DeWalt FlexVolt 120 volts Max Miter Saw Kit. Flexible power of corded, the world's first battery that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. Cut line blade positioning system. Main features: powerful 120 volts brushless motor. Weighs only 56 pounds. Compact design. Number 4. Tack Life Sliding Miter Saw 12-inch 15 amp. D-handle design creates more comfortable and easy to use for users. Double linear sliding rail design provide guarantee for more smooth. Main features: powerful motor and multi-purpose cutting. Ergonomic and double design. Sharp 40-tooth TCT blade. Number 3. Makita 10 inches compound miter saw. The direct drive motor with soft start delivers smoother startups and constant power. Precise miter and bevel cuts. The LS1040 has a dual pose compound pivot arm. Main features: dual pose compound pivoting arm. Weighs only 27.3 pounds. Powerful 15 amp motor. Number 2. Compound miter saw Tack Life 10-inch sliding miter saw. Solid iron self-retracting saw shield is more durable than plastic. The teeth cover of the cutting blade can protect you from accidental mishaps. Main features: bevel cutting and laser guide. 2 adjustable speed and 3 blades. 2-year warranty. Number 1. DeWalt 20 volts Max 7 1/4 inch miter saw. Adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 11 positive stops improves productivity. Oversized bevel scale makes bevel angle adjustments accurate. Main features: battery and charger sold separately. Compact and lightweight design. Cam lock miter handle. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.